Okay, we're at Target now, and it's like 9:15, and they close at 10, and then we have to go to Dollar Tree, which is right next door. But we're looking for 4th of July shirts, and I hope they still have some. There's literally nothing that's red and blue. Look, look. Yeah, there's not a blue one. Okay. Yo, what? This is not bad. What is this? It's $8. Yeah, it'll be fine. Let's keep looking at. We just realized this is orange. Wait, we're actually colorblind. So we found these shirts.
Dude, they're kind of like ugly, but kind of... Okay, so we didn't find a red shirt, but we found these blue ones, and they only have large, so it's like...
Yeah, but we're gonna go to the dressing room and try it on and show you. Okay, we picked out what we're wearing, but it's a surprise. You'll guys find out tomorrow.
Oh my god, guys, it closes in 5 minutes.
We're hurrying out. It's 9:56. We have 4 minutes. I don't think it's open. Why is it? Bro, guys, this is all they have. This is it. Seriously, there's no other aisles. See? Nothing. We made it just in time. They literally kicked us out. So we're back home, and this is our haul. Dollar Tree?
Bro, it was actually kind of good. Like,
yeah,
these are scarves, but we're gonna like put them around our leg.
And they only had that little section, but we made it work. We got a lot of stuff. Oh my God, and this is like cute. We wanted to do a hat, but this would like work. Then we got these, and they only had, see, we have 4 of those, and they only had like 1 of each. They only had a blue and red. So then we took another pack and we ripped it open, and then we took out 2 blue and red, and we put it back in here, and then we put the staple back on.
We forgot to vlog it.
Too smart.
And then we got red, right, and then food.
Oh, and my glasses to put.
Yeah, and I got these are already out.
Now we're going to the pool.
I have
And
a whole basket.
yeah, we're gonna the glasses that we got yesterday, we're gonna put beads around them for 4th of July. We're doing our crafts right now. This is mine so far. Okay.
What your baby's doing?
Oh, it's actually your glasses.
Oh, look at that. That's fun. Although I like that a lot.
Thank you.
Real nice.
Ta-da! Okay, guys, we did our hair beads.
We're gonna vlog us doing our hair.
Yeah.
Vlog our glasses. These are mine. I didn't get to finish it because of glue right now. Ahubala. Basically, I'm straightening my hair.
Basically, I'm doing mascara.
How much you get stuff?
I'm barely on it, bro.
Skibidi, skibidi toilet. Bring me a little water now. Bring me a little water, Sylvia. Oh my lord.
These
Look
aren't
at
even
the difference.
They aren't even the biggest ones.
Yeah, she's bigger than that. Like, that's insane.
Yeah. Look, you can know something. I don't want your hoes. I suck your shit to the road. Straight to you, I'm telling you go. It's the end, bro. It's just on my dick. It's just on my dick. Like, put it up ass. Like, it's been for this. I mean, sister, it's how to roll on the wrist. Go. That's what she's honorable. She's right here at carnival. I'm getting impossible. She's right here at carnival. But her last life, but you'll be like carnival. Boy, I found that shit. I'm on carnival.
What kind of skippy is this? A new skippy? Why is this not playing skippy? She's making Get Ready With Me. She's kind of influencer all of a sudden. It's so cinematic. Why is it so like...
Why is it dancing? Wait, what's glue on your ears?
Hey guys, it's been like an hour, but we still have Skippy on.
We're gonna paint, put paint right here.
Oh wow. No.
That's it.
Oh, that's cute.
Let's show the TikTok. Wait,
Hold on.
We hit him with that American Eagle screech.
I'll just put it in.
We hit him with that American Eagle screech. That
Guys, I'm gonna do it on my leg. What is playing, bro?
Skibidi toilet.
Doing glowsticks.
Alright.
We're at this firework
Yeah,
place.
we're at like this big event.
And there's like kids from school, so I'm not gonna vlog that much, but like,
We
yeah.
just danced to Carnival. There's like food, and we're gonna watch fireworks now.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll vlog like during the fireworks.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. Wow. A smiley face? No way.
Polluting the air.
Wow, guys, is this spectacular or what?
We thought we were gonna take cute pictures, but there's a lot of people still.
Yeah, there's like a lot.
We'll see you guys after.